Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Myself, Savita Arora, is presented over here to explain you about holiday homework. So, students, this is your holiday homework. Here are some tips for summers. You should follow the tips and stay healthy and safe at home. I am requesting to the parents that please explain each and every tip to the child and tell them to follow the tips. At the last, you can see that headline: complete your holiday homework religiously. It carries 5 marks in each subject. Got it, students? So do your homework very nicely and send it back. So students, here are some precautions. Follow these precautions and be safe and prevent the coronavirus. Students, here you can see the summary of your holiday homework. First of all, we will talk about English holiday homework. In oral, you have to learn the English conversation assignments. Topics are given below. First is myself, second is my favorite, and the third one is commanding or action words. Revise all the work done in book 1 and 2. Whatever work you have done till now, you have to cover, you have to revise that work also. In the written portion, you have to do one page in English copy, that is letter A. I will show you afterwards in what way you have to write and you have to complete the page. And then you have to complete English workbook, page number 16 to 20 and 20 to 26, means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. These pages you have to complete. Got it, students? Now we will come to the maths holiday homework. In oral, you have to revise book 1 topics. The topics are given below. One is color red, shape triangle. Number 1, concept of big and small. And revise book 2 topics, whatever you have done till now. Color green and number 2. Revise all the work done in book 1 and book 2. And in written portion, what you have to do in maths workbook, page number 15 and page number 16 you have to complete in your holiday homework. In page number 15 and 16, left open curve is there, so you have to complete it nicely. In maths notebook, you have to do 3 pages. One page is for number 1, one page is for formation of number 2, and one page is for number 2. Got it, students? Then we will come to Hindi holiday homework. What you have to do in Hindi, याद करें स्वर आ ई पहचान चित्रों के साथ. Next is Happy Faces coloring book. You must have this book, Happy Faces. So in this book you have to do 2 pages, page number 3 and page number 28. You should color nicely. Don't take out your color from the object. You should color very nicely. Got it, students? In book 1, there are some activity pages at the last. You should complete that pages. The page numbers are given below. Page number 65, page number 69, page number 71 and page number 81. You have to complete these 4 pages in book 1. Got it, students? Now come to rhymes and story holiday homework. You can see there are so many rhymes in book 1, as like reach up high, gingerbread and I hear thunder. These 3 rhymes are in book 1. So you have to sing along with the proper rhythm. If you don't have any idea, then you can take help of previous videos. And in book 2 there are 3 rhymes you have to learn with the proper rhythm of the rhyme. The rhymes name are 10 little fingers, 2 little hands, and after a bath. If you are facing any problem, then you can take the help of previous videos. And in story portion, you have to complete. You must have 3 stories in the in the in 3 stories. You have to learn any 2 stories. The names of the stories are The Crane and the Fox, The Crow and the Pitcher, and The Three Sheep. In these 3 stories, you have to learn any 2 stories and revise all the work done in book 1 and book 2. Whatever work has been done in book 1 and book 2, you have to revise all the syllabus. Got it, students? So this was the summary of your holiday homework. Okay, now I will tell you how you will mention the copy. I am just showing to the copies. Okay, now. So, students, this is your English notebook. So, I am requesting to the parents that they can mention the English notebook like that. First of all, in 2 lines, you can see A is written over here. As same, you have to write A. Then you will leave some space, and then you will write says, and then you will write a, means A says a. A says a. You have to revise the phonics also when the child is writing the letter. So you have to write A says a. Then you will make an apple. An object should also be there when you are mentioning the copy. Okay, parents. And then on the next line, you can mention A, and the child will follow the same formation when he or she is writing letter A. Then you can give 3 dots like I have given. You can give 3 dots, and the child has to write A with the proper formation. As the formation is, the child has to repeat the formation when he is writing letter A. If you are facing any problem, then you can take help of the previous video. So students, this is your maths holiday homework. So parents, first of all, in the first line you have to write holiday homework. Then on this line you will write number 1 on 1 dot, as I have written. So you have to write all the holiday homework with pencil only. As in this also, you have to use pencil only. Don't use a sketch pen and don't use pen. Okay, use pencil only in English holiday homework also, and in maths holiday homework also. And cover up your notebook very nicely. Name slip should be there, and write the name, class on the first page of the page also. Okay. Then you can just leave 2 lines from the red line, and on the third line you will write number 1. Then leave 2 lines, then write number 1. Again leave 2 lines, then write number 1. Leave 2 lines, write number 1. Then leave 1 line, give 1 dot. Then leave 2 lines, give 1 dot. Leave, as like you have to leave two lines, and at the last you will write remark and signature. So you have to mention the copy like this only. And on the second page you will write again holiday homework, and then you will write trace the formation of number 2. So in this the child has to trace the formation. So you will write, you don't have to write full 2. You should write only slant and curve. please don't make sleeping line. You have to make only curve and then slant line. This is the formation of number 2. First of all, you will mention, then you can give dots to the child, and the child will make formation on the dots. And please tell to the child that the child has to join dot to dot. And at the last of the page, you should write remark and signature. So this is the third page of your maths holiday homework. So again you will write holiday homework on the third page, and then in this page you will write the number 2, and you can make two objects. Like I have made balloons, so you also have to make two balloons. And then from the red line you should leave two lines, then write 2, leave two lines, number 2, leave two lines, number 2. As I have mentioned, you have to mention like this in two lines. After writing the formation, you can give full dots on two lines, and after two lines you can give three dots to the child. Then the child it is also compulsory for the practice. So in two lines you can give full dots, and in last three lines you can give three dots. Then the child will make 2 on 3 dots. And at the last of the page you have to write remark and signature. So this was the maths holiday homework, and these are the stories. As earlier in the summary you have seen 3 stories are there, 1, 2, 3. So the name of the first story is The Crane and the Fox. Second one is The Crow and the Pitcher, and the third one is The Three Sheep. So students, you have to learn any two stories with the If you are facing any problem in learning and in identifying the characters, then you can take help of the previous videos. Then these are the conversation topics. As you have seen in the summary, we are having some conversation topics also. So the child is so I am requesting to the parents that the full sentence should be learned to the child. As you will ask the question, which is your favorite toy? Then the child has to speak in full sentence, my favorite toys is whatever, my favorite toy is this, my favorite toy is that. So the child has to speak in a full sentence. These are the commands and action words. So you can give commands to the child, and you should watch the child if he is following you or not. You can give commands, and the child should also learn the action words. Means you can easily tell them stand up, sit down, then the child should know that it means stand up and it means sit down. Got it? Here are some points that are related with seeking permission. Say like may I come in, may I sit, may I drink water. Please get habituated to the child that firstly he has to take permission. Just like if he or she is drinking water, so he has to take permission first. Like may I drink water, may I go to washroom and all. So please get habituated. And this is the conversation assignment. Like this is about myself, so you can ask to the child what is their name. Then the child should answer you in a full sentence, like my name is this. So the child should answer in a full sentence. So this was your holiday homework. I hope now you are understand well. and please do it very nicely, and do your work in the workbooks and happy faces book also, and please send me back. Thank you. Thanks for watching.